This is video C13. We're going to construct a tangent line from the external point V to circle P. This one's a little bit harder to visualize. Once I make a few of the compass constructions, I'll explain it in further detail. All right, so step one is going to be to create segment PV just by joining the two. And then what we want to do is construct the perpendicular bisector. So what we're going to want to do is put the pointer at P, go more than halfway, arc above, arc below, from point V, arc above, arc below. This arc wasn't far enough, so I'll extend it. And again, as the saying goes, X marks the spot. So this point and this point define the perpendicular bisector. Okay, so the whole point of that was to come up with this point here, which will be the center of a new larger circle. I'll just draw the entire circle, and then you'll be able to visualize exactly what's going on. All right, so again, the radius of the circle is as such. Could mark it like this. I'm going to make one large circle. Again, it's hard on the whiteboard. I'll do as best as I can. Okay, something like that. All right, and it's this larger circle that's going to help us understand what's going on. So if I have a diameter here, I'll bold that for you. I've got a point here on the circle. I've got a point here. This black triangle here is inscribed inside the larger circle, this being the diameter. So this angle here must be a right angle. And if this is a right angle, this must be the point of tangency. So just so that there's no misunderstanding, this right here is the tangent. The problem didn't ask for it, but I could do a similar construction on the other side involving this point, and this point as well. So just to show you, that's how you could find the other tangent line as well. Again, this is a more complicated and confusing construction, but what I've just done is drawn the two tangents from an external point. And again, just to summarize, what we did is we drew the segment between the external point and the center of the original circle. We created the perpendicular bisector of that segment, and then we used that point right there as a center and just created another circle, and where that circle intersected our original circle were the two points of tangency. So there you have it, how to construct a tangent line from an external point to the circle.